Long hours of sitting at the desk or being busy on our smartphones are some of the causes which can take a toll on our posture. Have you noticed any changes in your upper back? Maybe your back has developed an abnormal curvature. Well, this bending of the spine is known as hunchback. In today's Follow the Fives, we are going to talk about basic stretches that you can do at home in order to improve your posture. Now moving on to the stretches. Number 1, cat-cow pose. Step 1. Place your hands and knees on the ground imitating a cat. Step 2. Inhale while looking up, drop your abdomen down as you extend your spine. Step 3. Exhale and arch your spine towards the ceiling and tuck your chin into your chin. Step 4. Continue this movement for at least 1 minute. Repeat thrice. Number 2. Wall push-ups. Step 1. First things first, stand straight in front of a wall. Keep a distance of around 1 feet. Step 2. Keep your legs and hip width apart and do not place your hands on the wall. Your hands should be shoulder width apart from each other. Your body has to be a little inclined when you place your palms on the wall. Step 3. Now inhale and push your body towards the wall. Hold it for a second, inhale and push your body against the wall. Now this is 1 rep. Keep doing this. Beginners can do 10 reps and 4 sets. Number 3. Chin tuck. Step 1. Sit upright and look straight ahead with the ears directly over the shoulders. Step 2. Place a finger on the chin. Step 3. Without moving the finger, pull the chin and head straight back until a good stretch is felt at the base of the head and top of the neck. There should now be some separation between the chin and finger. Step 4. Hold for 5 seconds if possible. Step 5. Bring the chin forward again to the finger. Step 6. Repeat for a total of 10 times or as tolerated. Number 4. Pectoral stretch. Step 1. Place your forearms and palms over the seam of the wall, where 2 walls are coming together to connect in a right angle. Step 2. Inhale, exhale and pulling your lower abdominal muscles into your spine, lean towards the wall. Step 3. Hold the position for between 5 to 30 seconds, then come back to start. Number 5. Superman pose. Step 1. Lie down on your belly with your arms stretched out in front of you. Step 2. Take a deep breath, slowly lift up your head, chest, feet and thighs all at once. Keep your focus on stretching and breathing. Step 3. Hold this position for 4 to 5 seconds. Step 4. Try to engage your core and pelvic muscles as much as you can. You will be able to feel the abdominal and gluteal muscles burning. Step 5. You can repeat this 3 to 4 times when you begin. Things to keep in mind while doing these stretches. Number 1. Never push your body if you think you can't stretch any further. Just don't. Number 2. It is important that you breathe normally while stretching and just avoid holding your breath. Number 3. Ensure that your mind is relaxed. Stress will restrict movements, won't allow your muscles to stretch as efficiently and hence won't give you the flexibility results that you desire. Special note. If you have back pain, spondylitis or any other back or neck issue, do consult a medical practitioner. Do let us know your thoughts and don't forget to keep watching this space for more such content.